how to delete all old Facebook posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete all old Facebook posts. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now there you just have to tap on settings option which can be seen under settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings, what you can do is simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for activity log and tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the activity log, you simply have to scroll down and tap on your Facebook activity. And now here under your Facebook activity, if you scroll down, there you'll see the option labeled as post. So there, just tap on manage post option, and after that, on the next page, what you have to do is just tap on the filters button at the top. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on categories, and after that on the next page you simply have to select your post photos and videos. And once you do that, it will show you all the posts that you have posted on the Facebook. Now here what you can do is just select all, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap on trash icon, and with that all selected posts will move to trash. Now posts are permanently deleted after 30 days, but if you want to delete it quickly, what you can do is just tap on the recycle bin at the top. And now here, once you are in this section, then here what you can do is simply select all the photos, posts and videos that are listed in this section, and after that you can simply tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on delete and confirm it by tapping on delete again. And that's it. That's how you can delete all old Facebook posts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.